This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my pink eyebrows. It's the same way I do my normal eyebrows except for with pink. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. That's the finished eyebrow. That's unfinished, but we're going to talk about that right now. So I cleaned it up with my concealer and then used my sponge to blend it out. But someone was recording me and stopped the video, so you didn't get to see that part. And I guess I could show you on the other one when I finish that. So I'm just going to put concealer on the end and carve it out the way I want to. And at the top. And obviously this isn't a natural eyebrow color, so the point of making it look natural would be pointless. So carve away, hun. Carve away. Then just blend it out. Just be careful not to get concealer on your pink eyebrow, because then you gotta redo it, and that sucks. I've been there before.